Here's the talk reaction and the talk tech. Today, someone sent me a best lip that sticker has been used to cover on WhatsApp for me to uncover it for us to try our luck on. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how I used to uncover best lip that sticker has been used to cover for you to also learn something for the day. Okay, and remember, this video is for educational purpose as well. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to show you the step-by-step guide on how I used to uncover best lip that sticker has been used to cover. The device that I'm going to use is my phone and just the mouse. Okay, so I just go ahead to insert my mouse here because that's what I used to do it for all. Okay, so here I go to my gallery because I have downloaded the best lip that sticker has been used to cover from WhatsApp and been added to my gallery as well. Okay, so I go to the albums here, then go to the WhatsApp. There's the WhatsApp. So this is the best, the other person. So this is the best lip. You can see there's yellow sticker that has been used to cover the correct score for both games and also the potential win and also the stake the person used. So in my previous videos, I've made a lot of videos on how to uncover best lip that sticker has been used to cover and posted on my other channel, which is the Talk Tech. Okay, so you can check through that, and also the link is at the video description. You can check through that. Okay, so and I've explained to you the apps that I used to uncover. That is the PixelLab and the Video Good. These are the two apps that I only used to uncover. So let's go to the PixelLab and know how we can use it to uncover this best lip that sticker has been used to cover. So you can see there's the PixelLab. I open it, then when you go, you see this my project and you see a list of projects here. Okay, if you want to start, you go to the 3D project here, you click on this one, then you remove the new text with the 3D text. Okay, you remove this one. Okay, from there you go to, you see the button here, you see this like filter icon here, the A icon, which is the text icon. You see the hexagon icon here, you see this copy or the paste icon here, you see the brightness icon here. So you go to the fourth one. If you are counting from left, you go to the fourth one here. That is the copy or the paste icon. And then you scroll to the left side, then you see from gallery. Okay, you click on from gallery here, then here you go to select the best lip that you want to work on. Okay, so you see, you go to the top left corner, depending on your device that you are using. You go to my top left corner, I go to the gallery here, then I go and select the best lips at the WhatsApp here, then there is this, I click on it, then click on the check mark here to select it fully. Okay, so there is the best that I'm going to work on. So here what you are going to do is to follow this simple step that I'm going to show you for you to also get this knowledge and also use it to work on only best lip that sticker has been used to cover to work for you. Okay, so from there you see these are the colors that I'm going to move from it. Okay, the yellow color, which is covering this first correct score, the second correct score, and the potential win. Okay, so I'm going to do the tutorials, just follow. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to make sure you draw lines, that's the dashed lines, to select each sticker which has been used to cover the correct score, or being that of the booking code or the potential win. Okay, so here you go, you see the hexagon icon here, that's the middle one. You click on it, then you click on the draw. So here with the draw, with the draw, there's the settings that you are going to do. So you scroll down here, then the pen size here, you select it to 5, you reduce it to 5. Okay, so you reduce it to 5, then you scroll down, then you see these three settings. So the middle one, that's the dash line, you toggle this one here. Then the next setting for you to select the color. Okay, because automatic color for it is black, but you need to select it to red so that you can select the stickers well. Okay, so if you want to select the color, you go to this plus sign icon here, you click on it, then there's the color wheel, you select the color here. You can select any color apart from black. Okay, you can select the red here, then you click on this one. So now that you've selected the color and also make changes to the pen size and also selecting the dash line, you go to draw dash line to select the best sticker that you want to work on. Okay, so this one, you select this one first. Let's select this one. You take time, because here it takes a lot of time. That's what it makes me to spend more than 1 hour on this work. Okay, works like this. Okay, so after selecting this one, you click on the check mark here. Okay, you click on this check mark here, you see it to be highlighted. So the next thing for you to select anything which is inside this highlighted or dashed line. Okay, you can see we selected the yellow sticker. Okay, so you go to select that one. Okay, so now you go to select this one. Okay, so you select what is inside the dash line. Okay, you select this one here. All right, you've selected it. Then this step you follow it clearly. So you scroll still at the hexagon icon here, that's the middle icon. You scroll to the left until you see erasure color. Until you see erasure color. Okay, you see erasure color. All right, this is the erasure color here. This is the erasure color. This is the erasure color. Okay, you see we have the erasure, the mask, and the erasure color. You select the erasure color or the eraser color. Okay, you click this one, then you click on enable eraser color here. So here you see the blue icons here, the plus icon, the left side icon, the number 1 here, which is the white icon, the pick 2, which is the blue icon, this the left, the right icon, the minus icon. So you go to the pick 2, the one after this 2, which is after the number 1 here. Okay, you select, click this one. So here you just go to use the mouse or your finger to select anything which is inside this dash line that you just selected. Okay, you can see, you see the white selection here, the yellow selection. I beg, don't select the white, because the white is not what you are going to work on. We are going to work on the yellow icon here. So you select it here. Okay, then you click on the mark here. Okay, so from there you see the moment that you click on the mark, you see the color will change from white to yellow here. That means you have selected the yellow of which you have erased. So you can see now the yellow color, which is the sticker, is no more there. You can clearly see the correct score which the yellow color was used to cover it. Okay, this is what you do for the first one. You do same for all the colors here. Okay, so now let's go to the second one too. Okay, so after you are done, you click on this check mark here. So let's go to this one too. The same thing, you just follow the same step. You go to draw the dash line there. Okay, you draw the dash line. Okay, you go to draw the dash line. You go to draw the dash line. You go to draw here. Then you pick the color here. Okay, the color has been picked. You reduce the pen size to 5. You reduce the pen size to 5. Then you go to select the dash line here. Then from there you go to select it. Carefully select it. Okay, this is blue, this is black. Okay, with the black it doesn't, there's no problem with that. Okay, but I want to select, use red so as to get the selected image well. Okay, so if you want to go back to undo it, you just click on the undo button. Then here you select the red color here. Okay, you select the red color. It's still giving the black. Okay, you select the red color. You go to select the red color here. Then you scroll this, the middle one to full. Then you click on OK. Then you select it. Okay, you select this image. Make sure you select it well. Okay, the dash line to select it well. All right, and you select it. Okay, so when you are done, you click on the check mark here. So now you are going to select anything which is inside this line that you've drawn. Okay, we go to select anything which is inside the second dash line. Okay, so you click on this one. Okay, so you select anything anywhere in the dash line. Okay, so from there you scroll to the left side until you see the eraser color or the eraser color. Okay, you see the eraser color, please, not the eraser but the eraser color. You click on it, you enable the eraser color here. Then you select the color. You go to the pick 2 here, you select the color here. Okay, as I always say, don't select the white or any color which is inside. Select the yellow color because that's what you want to move. So the moment you click on the check mark here, let's see here, you see that one too is gone. Okay, that one too is gone. Okay, then you click on the check mark here. We are done with the two squares here. Okay, so you can zoom it. So let me do the potential win to, that is the amount the person used to stake, and also the potential win if all the selections for the best scores goes through. Okay, so this one to the same format, the same procedure. Okay, you go to the draw here, then you select the color for the drawing. Okay, as I always say, don't use the black. So this one, let me select, use the blue to do it. Okay, let me use the blue color here to do it. Click on OK, then I scroll down. The pen side take you to 5. Okay, take you to 5, then go and select the dash line here. From there, so after this settings has been made, then you select the yellow color which you want to work on. Okay, so you select it here, you select it. Okay, you select it. Well, okay, because I'm using the mouse, that's what it's good. By your hand, make sure you use your hand to select it well. Okay, from there you click on the check mark here to confirm here. Then from there we are going to select anything which is inside the blue dash line. Okay, so there you click anywhere. Probably we are going to select this yellow sticker. Okay, we click on it to select it. Then we go to the left side to see eraser color. Okay, eraser color here, you go to see the eraser color. All right, we click on the eraser color, you enable eraser color, then go to the pick tool here. Then here you go to select the color which you want to move it. Okay, from the dash line. Okay, don't select the white, select the yellow. Okay, then you click on the check mark here. You see that one too is gone. Okay, so now we click on the check mark. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully erased or removed all the yellow colors from the dash line. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you zoom in to see the correct scores where, and also the potential winner as well as the stake amount that the person used to stake. Okay, so let's go here. You see the zoom icon here, click on it, then use your 2 fingers to zoom it. Okay, so when you zoom it, you can see that the first game is this game. Okay, that is a CD Sachin Tekek versus the Quincy FC. Okay, in this one the selection is 3-1, as you can see, giving an odd of 11.50. Okay, and the second one is the Sporting FC versus Perez Zeladon, and they tipped 2-2, giving an odd of 14.48. Okay, so let's go to the stake amount that the person used to stake. The person staked with 610 Ghana cedis, and he or she is going to win a total amount of 104,020 Ghana cedis, 3 pesos. Okay, this is the amount that the person is going to win. That's 104,020 Ghana cedis. Okay, if the 2 selections here goes through with the stake amount of 610 Ghana cedis. Okay, so basically there's the step-by-step guide on how you can also do or remove any best that sticker has been used to cover. It's as simple as that. Okay, and one thing I want you to know is that I, being the expert in this, I sometimes use 1 hour, 2 hours to work on, depending on how difficult the best slip or the sticker is. Okay, so if you also get any best that sticker has been used to cover, you can try this method for us to see if it will really work for you. Because bear in mind, I've made countless videos and explaining to you guys that first you need to trust the source of the best slip before you go into spend your time to work on. Because if you spend your time to work on and it doesn't go through, you lose even the best slip, that means you have wasted your time and also wasted your money. Okay, so make sure you trust the source of the best slip. Here's the talk tech and the talk reaction. If you like watching content like this, please make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning content like this, because I'm going to post a lot of videos like this on this channel. Okay, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so please share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the talk tech and the talk reaction, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.